Morning! Today we're on our way to Nifrel. Kelly's never been before, so...
You know that mono means one and rail means rail.
Monorail.
Oh.
Monorail. 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 Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The #1 attraction of all of Japan.
Alright, we saw the tower, we saw the two balls, let's go.
We're going Nifrel. Colors, except they misspelt it. This is a Dune Part 3 spoiler. Abilities. Kelly, $5 to touch this.
It's Preston, it's for you.
Oh shit, he's coming to knock me out. Oh shit. Pow pow. Swim. Beautiful. Absolute beauty. Go. Mimic. Water side. Oh, he's getting a rock. He got a rock. Oh, he dropped it. Ui. Alrighty, so we're heading to Tower of the Sun now, the Japan's #1 attraction, other than me. Sexy! Welcome to my eyes wide shut party. What on earth? I'm a bit scared, everyone, I'm not gonna lie. This tree is 41 meters tall. Holy crap. And they be calling this a tree of life too. What the hell? Kenny, is that the mitochondria? And we're at EXPO70. So apparently this place is meant to be a blast to the past to the 70s. Tower of the Sun. His eyes are glowing. Well, that was an okay exhibition. If you're here, you might as well do it, but don't go out of your way for this one. Go out of your way for go out of your way for that one. Scary. Look how keen she is. Oh, my feet hurt. But when we come Uniqlo, walking like a trooper. We're going to Glänta, a ring shop, because I'm making a ring for a special someone.
Henry got the special box. Oh, very nice.
Many months later.
Creamy brulee. This is pretty good. You get that nice cheese flavor and it contrasts with the texture and the sweetness of the top. Delish.
Very strong, really strong matcha, really.
Strawberry jam.
Even though it's strawberry jam, I like it.
So both Kelly and I have unanimously picked this one as the best flavor of the three. And this is what I procured from Tower of the Sun. Why'd you laugh?
I laugh because why don't you laugh?
We're in line for this Gyukatsu restaurant. Been waiting 20 minutes so far. Beautiful. Destroyed this dish and got an extra rice bowl too. Well,
Gyukatsu, Motomura. Yummy.
that's all for tonight. Please enjoy these 85mm shots of videos.